Do you know what are the key financial ratios that are analyzed by the banks or financial institutions in loan appraisal? Let's start with profitability ratios. There they'll be analyzing EBIT with net sales, cash accruals with net sales, PBT with net sales, PAT with net sales. Then let's get into liquidity ratios where they are going to measure the liquidity using current ratio, that is current asset by current liability. Moving on to long-term stability ratios where they'll be comparing TOL with TNW, TOL with adjusted TNW, TTL with TNW, and TOL with TNW where unsecured loan is treated as quasi-equity. Then moving on to efficiency ratios where they'll be comparing net sales with TTA, PBT with TTA, operating costs with sales, bank finance with current assets. They'll be comparing or analyzing cash cycle. Then shifting gears to risk related ratios where they'll be looking at PBDIT by interest, return on capital employed. They'll compare net current asset with total outside liabilities, retained profit with total assets. And they will also do holding levels analysis. They'll compare raw material holding levels, work in progress level, finished goods holding level, debtors collection period, creditors payment period, so many. And if you wish to learn more about all this, just comment 7D and join our 7 days free WhatsApp bootcamp.